What's up, guys? We're at Walgreens right now. We are making slime. We're buying our ingredients, but we can't really find anything here, so we're gonna have to go to another store.
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream. I like the music that they're playing. Did you find it?
Well, we can use one of these.
Okay.
Original soothing
Original. What's up, guys? The other store had nothing, so we're in a different store now, and this is what we got so far. But we're still looking. But like, oh, we also got these little things. Someone came around and gave us little taste tests of coffee. So cute. What's up, guys? We just bought a whole bunch of stuff, and now we're gonna go home and make some slime. Why not? You know? It's gonna be really good slime. Alright, see ya at home. What's up, guys? We just made it home.
What's up, guys?
The puppy.
Puppy, say hello. Say hello, baby. Say hi.
He'll eat it. That's Frazier. Alright, we're gonna make our slime. And yeah.
Hey, Agent
I'm
Bob.
gonna
So,
just set it up.
right now we're making
Laurel
slime.
just got here. We're doing the slime.
Did you hear that?
Sorry. It's still on me, actually.
ASMR.
I don't know where you want me to. Microphone.
We should make ASMR videos. Comment if you want us to make ASMR videos.
Fine.
We need a lot more.
Of this stuff?
Yeah.
Oh.
No more borax. We can't add any more borax.
We should make a slime account.
But
Are you
we're not
vlogging
good
it
at it.
still?
Next
Like
time
and
you need to buy more glue.
We have
There's
another
a
bottle.
bottle, but like. I wonder if he needs to be in our vlog. I'll go ask him.
Oh, you know that
Like
thing
guys.
where they have to like
Hey, Aunt Bean.
Hi, everybody.
How's the slime going?